Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making juicy beef with roasted peppers, jalapenos, with some mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna serve it with some really nice salad and bread. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. Add a touch of oil. In goes the onions. Cook until nice and brown on low medium heat. Some garlic in there. Beef mince. Touch of salt and black pepper, and a good mix to this. Cook this until nice and brown. We're looking for a very nice color in here. As you can see, the beef has started to release its water. We're gonna dry this water up. Now we're gonna add in the passata. There it goes. And in that, we're gonna add these beautiful roasted peppers. Give this a good mix. Finally, I'm gonna add these beautiful jalapeno peppers in there and just give it a really nice mix. Done. Turn off the heat. Get our baking tray like this one, and then we're gonna add this beautiful meat. Add it all there and distribute it evenly. Now on top of that, we're gonna add this beautiful mozzarella cheese. In the oven at 200 Celsius for 10 minutes. Done. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Alhamdulillah, looks delicious. Look at it. Let's try it with the bread. Wow. Oh, look at it. The amazing beef. So nice. The flavor is so good. You have to try this. Beautiful cheese. Look at that. Grab some of the bread. Put this in here. Grab a bit of that meat. Look at that. Add a bit of the beautiful salad on there. Take a bite. Please do try it. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my videos. Any suggestions, please leave them down in the comment below. Salam.